Hi, today we're gonna cook some beef and tofu. That's the tofu we're gonna make. Going to be soft tofu. This is the beef. We're gonna use about little bit over a pound of beef. Any kind of beef be okay because we're gonna marinate them so they will get soft, tender, and crispy. First, we have to cut the beef to a real thin slice. So you just cut it real thin slice. So you cut it smaller piece like that, real thin small. So you cut all these to thin slice. Yeah, you just cut this thin slice. The thinner, the better. See, you just cut it like that. See how thin they are. Okay, so the last piece here. Okay, that's the beef here. So we're gonna tenderize them and show you how I do it. Put some salt in it. This is salt. We just some of them, just a little bit salt in it. See, and some white pepper. Okay. Then after that, we need to put some baking soda in it. 1 pound we probably put about one teaspoon of baking soda in it. Okay, one teaspoon. Okay. So just try to make half cup of water. If not enough, we can always add some more in it. See, half cup of water here. See, make with the baking soda. So like that. And the thing is, the baking soda will make the beef tender, and also we're gonna put some water in it, and they will the beef absorb the water and make it tender and crispy, you know. And you just do it like that, and you have to see enough water. You don't put too much, and you just make them like that. Okay, we let it sit for like about 45 minutes, half an hour. If you can soak it overnight too. So the beef is ready. We already made tenderized them for almost over 45 minutes. So okay, you can start cooking. Put some little bit of sesame seed oil in it. Also some white pepper again. And some salt. Alright, then we're gonna mix them up. See, the water already kind of absorbed in the beef, you know. So we put 1 egg in it. Alright, after that, we're gonna put some cornstarch in it. Some in it. See, enough, you know, enough to cover the whole thing, you know, cover the whole the beef. It's still kind of wet, see, yeah. So you need some more. Okay. Okay, that's about right. So after that, we put some oil in it. Okay, so we can turn on the heat and I can wash my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna cook with tofu, and that's we need the they call the soft tofu, the soft one. So we cut. So we're gonna cut that in little square pieces. Like that. So like that. It's getting hot right now, so we're gonna put the oil in it. So you turn the heat higher, lower. And now you're gonna put the tofu in it, kind of browning them. And you heat it up, and now you turn the heat higher. You know. Or other way you can do it, you can fry them up too with oil, deep fry them. But and I like it like that, so I do it this way. So you can see them start browning up. A lot of people using different kind of tofu, or but I prefer that the soft tofu tastes better. So. Okay, that's about right. So I'm gonna scoop them up. Alright, after that we're gonna cook the beef. We add some oil in it. You have to cook through this browning all this beef. You have to until they all turn brown. Then they're not hard to cook. They're real easy to cook, but yeah, it's almost. You can see that cooked. You have to make sure they all not stick together. See? Make sure they not stick together. Okay. So you screw them up first. Alright, then put some oil in it. The other stuff we're gonna put that in there is green onion, cilantro, and chopped purple onions and gingers and garlic. Also shiitake mushroom. Then we cut them. We wash them and we cut them to half or whole. The small one, we just keep them whole. So we put the garlic, gingers, and onions in it. They're real easy to brown, so you turn the heat lower. Okay. And now you're gonna put the shiitake mushroom in. Okay, then we're gonna put some seasoning in it. Put about 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry wine in it. And half tablespoon of sugar. A little bit of sesame seed oil and some white pepper. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And after that, we're gonna put some oil, put some water in it. Just enough to cover the mushroom. Yeah. Just like that. So we got some water and cornstarch here. We try to thicken the sauce, with cornstarch and water. So we cook it longer because it's the mushroom, we need to cook it, cook it through so they soft, Otherwise they may be not tenders. Okay, that's about right. So we're gonna thicken the sauce. Cornstarch and water. Okay. Then we're gonna put the beef in it. Just mix them up and put some onions in it and cilantro. So you keep an eye on the beef. See they are cooked enough, because if you see some pink color, you have to keep cooking them longer. Okay, then we're gonna put the last thing in it. That's the tofu. Okay. Okay, this is beef with tofu.